If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Earth is alive. Use the green. Roll. Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, New York.
Cherokee 22336, about 15 miles south of Newark. Request flight following number 2300, climbing to 2500. Destination is Ocean City, 26 November.
Number 22336, squawk 0330, ident.
Squawk 0330.
10,000, departure 12085.
5 up to 10,000, breaker 3421.
Citation 6 Delta Vector 6,
Ident.
Sandy,
What is that?
090 2000 till established, code ILS 6.
Good, right?
Left 090 2000 till established, cleared ILS 6. 6 Delta Victor. November 22336, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. Squawk VFR, Cherokee 22336. Thank you for your help. Ocean City traffic, Cherokee joining left downwind. Runway 25, Ocean City traffic.
This is Ocean City, New Jersey, favorite runway 24, so right-hand pattern, Ocean City winds 280.
It's 24?
No gust indicate this time.
It's 24.
That's the other side.
Yeah, it's 24. Okay. Ocean City traffic, Cherokee left, right downwind of runway 24, Ocean City traffic. He corrected me and I wasn't listening. Ocean City traffic, Cherokee turning right base, runway 24, Ocean City traffic. Ocean City traffic, Cherokee, short final, runway 24, Ocean City traffic. A little bit punched it a little bit, huh?
Not too bad.
Guess that's it.
Okay, so we finally got our food and it looks delicious.
Look at mine.
Let's see.
Look at this one.
Oh, looks really nice. Okay, we're gonna stuff our faces now. See you later. Bye. You don't mind if I film, Derek? Maybe you can tell us about this store.
It's been open for, I believe,
Can you speak up a little bit?
years. Oh, it's been open for about 5 to 7 years. It's family owned. We also own 4 different shops. We have Dead End Bakehouse, Sunrise Cafe, Drip and Scoop, and I believe it's Daydreams as well.
I know I took last time donuts to my
Okay.
son. We come from New York, and he loved it.
Did he?
He loved it, absolutely.
We also do donut ice cream sandwiches. So we'll cut the donuts in half, and you put ice cream in the middle, and then the donut right on top.
Wow. Okay. Let's start with this chocolate vanilla sprinkle.
So you're happy now? We've got donuts. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Here in Ocean City, walking towards the airport. Hold on, sorry. Hi, Shura.
Okay, so here in Ocean City, and we're looking at is the canal. Yes, beautiful, beautiful homes. There's a nice boat. Something to shoot for, huh? Yeah, definitely. Beautiful. We decided to walk back from the quote downtown Ocean City, New Jersey, and we're just at it was a nice long walk. It was very cold in the beginning, but when the sun started hitting us, it started to get pretty warm. And this is the airport, Ocean City, and there's an airport diner there. Unfortunately, they're closed. And we were coming here a couple of runs, when I did the runs to Alabama. On the way back, we would stop here. We actually stopped here a couple of times, and we had breakfast just before we hit back home, Linden. So it's nice. And there's a golf course right next to it. And my honey is busy listening to the stock market. Are you making money? Okay, she's listening. Okay. Anyhow, this is what it is.
Right clear?
Right, clear. Let me see. Okay, clear.
No golf balls? No golf balls. Racer is alive. Gauges are in the green. 60, 65, roll. So it's like 1,200 feet per second. Unbelievable power.
Holy crap!
Okay. Very clear, very clear. Do it sharp a little bit.
Is it 45?
Yeah, almost 44.
Good. Have you ever done 90? Roller coaster, we might as well practice.
Okay, let me get in touch with the traffic. Approach Cherokee 22336.
That was 22336.
That is affirmative. 22336 at 2000 for 2500. Just left Ocean City Airport. Looking for flight following to Linden, New Jersey. Cherokee 22336.
November 22336, squawk 0133.
Squawk 0133. Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, radar contact 2 miles east Ocean City Airport, altitude 2,400, Atlantic City, altimeter 3002. You can proceed on course. You're just going up the coast northeast bound?
Yes, but I'd like to have clearance to Class Charlie, please. Cherokee 22336.
That's approved for number 336.
Clearance approved for Class Charlie, Cherokee 22336.
336. Traffic 12 o'clock and 3 miles southbound 1,600 indicated.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 336. Okay, so it's going this way. Oh yeah, I see. Traffic inside, Cherokee 336.
Roger.
Wow, it's right beneath me. Wow. Traffic, Cherokee 3 miles south of field, joining left downwind, runway 27, in traffic.
Fantastic. Don't take off again.
Also slow it down.
You pull, I don't know.
No, it's to slow it down because it bridges the...
Knowing you take off again.